Hey there guys, welcome back to day 15 of Vlogmas this year. So try this recipe and thank me later. You want to take a cup of milk in a bowl and you want to heat it up. Then you want to add some chocolate, some vanilla extract, some cocoa powder, brown sugar, a pinch of salt, a little bit of cinnamon, some nutmeg, and then you want to mix that up and heat that up until everything is melted. And then you basically just want to pour it into a Christmassy cup that gives you all the holiday vibes. Then you can add some whipped cream on top as well as some sprinkles, and you're ready to enjoy this Christmassy delight. I really hope you try this. It is seriously so good. So good. Such a good dessert. So I'm gonna have mine now and I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye!